Sony announced at CES 2019 the arrival of its new portable speaker for home environments, the Sony Glass Sound Speaker or LSPX-S2, a model that looks minimalist but hides several curiosities inside. The advanced vertical drive technology that allows the loudspeaker to reproduce 360-degree sound using the glass of the central zone as if it were a tweeter, vibrating after being hit by the internal actuator to emit the treble with a minimum volume loss. It also has a driver for medium-low frequencies and a passive radiator located at the base of the device that manages to extend the frequency response up to 60 Hz, and all with an amplification power of 11 watts woofer, with harmonic distortion of 1%, 1 kHz, 4 ohm. It also incorporates Bluetooth connectivity, NFC One-Touch system to synchronize quickly with the smartphone, possibility to listen to music from Spotify Connect, and compatibility with the Sony multiroom system to interconnect up to 10 brand devices through Wi-Fi.